How to use Zoho Mail on Android. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your Android phone, head over to your Play Store. After you're on your store, tap on the search bar and search for Zoho Mail. In the search results, you will see the app with this kind of logo over here. You can tap on it and install this app on your phone. I've already installed this app, so after you install this app, you can tap on Open and launch the app. After you launch the app, you need to create your account first. In order to create your Zoho Mail account, it's a very simple process. You can use your phone number or your email address, and you can successfully create a new account. After you create your account, you can log into it, and you will see this kind of app interface. So from here, you can access the Zoho Mail features. You can send the emails, you can check your inbox, and access everything. So that's it. That's how you can easily use Zoho Mail on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.